ફાઉન્ડર અને સીટીઓ છે અને ફોર્ચ્યુન 500 કંપનીઓ, ઇન્ટરનેશનલ એજન્સીઝ અને અનેક દેશોની સંસ્થાઓ સાથે કામ કરી ચૂક્યા છે. તેમના મુખ્ય એરિયાઝ છે સાયબર સિક્યુરિટી એન્ડ એથિકલ હેકિંગ, પેનિટ્રેશન ટેસ્ટિંગ, ડિજિટલ ફોરેન્સિક્સ, જનરેટિવ AI, ક્વોન્ટમ કોમ્પ્યુટિંગ એક્સેટ્રા. TEDx અને જોસ ટોક્સ જેવા મંચો પર તેઓ લોકપ્રિય સ્પીકર છે અને વિશ્વભરમાં 500 થી વધુ વર્કશોપ લઈને હજારો વિદ્યાર્થીઓ અને પ્રોફેશનલોને સાયબર સેફટીની તાલીમ આપી ચૂક્યા છે. આજે તેઓ LLM ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન અને મલ્ટી એજન્ટ સિસ્ટમ્સ જેવા હોટ ટોપિક્સ પર વાત કરશે. સાયબર જગતના ચેમ્પિયન, ટેકનોલોજીના સાચા બ્લેઝર એમનું સ્વાગત કરવા હું પ્રોફેસર દિલીપ પટેલને વિનંતી કરું છું કે તેઓ શ્રી અજિંક્ય સરને પુષ્પ અર્પણ કરે. સરનું ઉષ્માભરી તાળીઓથી સ્વાગત કરે. પ્લીઝ વેલકમ સર.
Okay, so good evening everyone. Good evening, can you tell me? My voice is audible, right?
Yes.
You all are getting bored or what? So rahe ho kya sab? Nahi na? Okay, fine. So from India indeed, my name is Ajinkya.
Sir, आपको mic.
It's fine, my voice is enough.
Okay.
Okay, so from India indeed, my name is Ajinkya and I am computer security expert, computer security guy, and I know what you people think about the computer security experts. So computer security experts are the one who are always telling you to know. No, you can't do that. No, you can't use that services. No, you cannot set up that new thingy. You can buy and use that devices. Not in our network. So I am sick and tired of telling people no. So today now what I'll do, now I'll just start with the security things, then we can go with like the agentic AI and we can try to explore the quantum computing. I hope you all heard about the term called as quantum computing. आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने quantum computing के बारे में सुना होगा, right? I'll ask you one simple question. Are you really safe on the internet? Yes or no? आप लोग इंटरनेट पे safe हो? No. Why you are not at all safe on the internet? Because right now your Aadhaar card, means your retina or your fingerprint is attached to your Aadhaar card. Your Aadhaar card is linked with your bank account, and there are a lot of mobile phone companies providing different kind of facility like face recognition and fingerprint sensors, right? And we people using it because we want digitalization. And at the same time, mobile phone companies knows everything about you. They only want your Aadhaar card number and they can access your things. So you are not at all safe on the internet. Then the next thing, what is the biggest lie on the internet? What is the greatest scandal on the internet? Anyone? What is the biggest lie on the internet? What is the greatest scandal on the internet? And the biggest lie on the internet is that I have read the terms and I accept the license and agreements. And I know people lie on the internet. And how do I know this? Because we haven't read the terms and conditions. We did not read the terms and conditions, then what we click OK. How do I know this? Because we set up a free internet hotspot in Mumbai region and we provide the free internet to all the users who accept our terms and conditions. And our terms and conditions mention that using this kind of Wi-Fi, you have to give your firstborn child baby to Mr. Ajinkya. And if you don't have a child, we will take care of your favorite pet animal. And at the end of the day, all the hailing people click OK. Like what the hell is that? So please read the terms and conditions carefully before accepting anything, right? Because nowadays we don't care about your security. And always remember one thing, privacy just like non-negotiable thing. Privacy just like non-negotiable thing. Otherwise we people share everything with like different platforms. You all are using MakeMyTrip, right? How many of you use the MakeMyTrip here? Redbus, Swiggy, Zomato. You all are using it, right? And we really don't care about your information. We really don't care about our information. I'll just tell you one thing very clearly. How many of you think your Aadhaar cards and PAN cards are really secure? It's not really secure at all. Not secure at all. I can easily find out anybody's Aadhaar card here. I'll just show you how you can find it out anybody's Aadhaar card without their consent. But this is like criminal thing. Okay, how you can find out anybody's Aadhaar card? You just type a query here. You just go here and you just type the query index in title. Index in title of Aadhaar card, index in title of Aadhaar card, and you can find it out the multiple people's Aadhaar card here. You can find out the multiple people's Aadhaar card. I'll just go for the student data only here, and you just try to check it out one by one. And this is personal information, and we people really don't care about anything, right? Nowadays, everybody's talking about the artificial intelligence. One more thing, artificial intelligence can't work without your data, right? हम लोगों को लगता है कि भाई एक मस्त टेक्नोलॉजी आएगी, AI आएगा, ChatGPT आएगा. Once the ChatGPT was introduced, people are searching for how to get my life in 5 different ways. Even people are searching for, please give me the ingredients to make a bomb, please give me the ingredients to make a drugs. And at the same time, ChatGPT gives the results and you can make things. But nowadays you can't do anything in the ChatGPT. You will not get anything there, right? And artificial intelligence or the ChatGPT is not a rocket science. It's been around this for a while, right? You all are familiar with the Google search engine. You all are familiar with the Siri. So these are the example of generative AI. And again, recently, I mean, most of the people, they are like, focusing on like Gemini, ChatGPT, this kind of stuff, right? I'll just tell you one thing very frankly. After 5 or 6 years later, or maybe next decade, next 10 सालों में एक ही technology रहेगा. Whether you like it or not, this is my only perception. That is quantum computing. What? Quantum computing. अब आने वाले समय में हम लोगों के पास होगी quantum lenses. We have a quantum lenses, and what we can do with the quantum lenses? In quantum lenses, we have an internet. So, for example, if you have the dating platform, if you have some cocktail party, and if you find out the people's biography there, अगर आप लोगों की biography देखनी है, so you can check it out with the help of quantum lenses. And if you find out how many stupid people surround you, you can easily find it out with the help of quantum lenses. And who can buy these quantum lenses, especially the college students? Why? Because they need to just blink their eyes and they can check the questions and answers there. कुछ नहीं करना है, बस just blink your eyes and you can check the questions and answers there. Nowadays we don't have a solution for the cancers, AIDS and Alzheimer. हम लोगों के पास कोई solution नहीं है, right? Something I'm talking about today now sounds like a little bit science fiction, but you have to bear with me. So what I'm talking now, nowadays we don't have a solution for the cancers, AIDS and the Alzheimer. अब Alzheimer क्या होता है? हाँ, Alzheimer means हाँ भूल जाना. Okay, simple. आप लोग भूल जाते हो, मतलब जो भी whatever you have, right? So in the Alzheimer you have 2 type of protein. So with the help of quantum computers you can remove the bad protein there. And recently the FDA releases the one tool. So with the help of blood test you can check the 50 plus cancers now. With the help of blood test you can check the 50 plus cancers. Otherwise you need to do a lot of tests like tumor and other stuff. And in the future with the help of quantum computers you can check the 1000 plus cancers at once. You can check the 1000 plus cancers at and how you can remove the cancers thing. So for example if you have a child, अगर आपके पास छोटा बच्चा है, you can do the test that time only. उसी टाइम पे आप टेस्ट कर लीजिए. If you find out some sort of like spaces there, you can destroy the spaces. This is all about the research part. And one more thing, the Alzheimer, cancers and the AIDS. आप में से कितने लोग सोचते हो? For example, now we are saying here, हम जो भी आंखों से देख रहे हैं ना, हम जो भी फील कर रहे हैं, अभी यहाँ पे आप लोग बैठे हो, right? You are just saying through your eyes and you just feel it. मतलब आप just feel कर रहे हो, right? किसी के पास coin है? Anybody have a coin? Anyway, fine. When I flip a coin, अगर मैं flip कर रहा हूँ कोई coin, so you have 2 positions there. कौन सी positions होती है? Head and tail, right? तो यहाँ पे एक ही वर्ड नहीं चल रहा है. हमें सिर्फ आंखों से देख रहे हैं कि भाई हाँ ये सब कुछ चल रहा है. बट यहाँ पे मल्टी और पैरेलल वर्ड्स चल रहे हैं. यहाँ पे मल्टी और द पैरेलल वर्ड्स चल रहे हैं. How many of you think about the past, present and the future? आप में से कितने लोग past, present and future के बारे में सोचते हो? Anyone? बोलो. Past, present and the future. अरे past, present and future. We are just thinking about the past, present and the future, right? Just let's see now. Past. समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Past, future, present, everything gone. Understand? Present नाम की कोई चीज है ही नहीं. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ समझ में आ रहा है? आपके 5 सेकंड पहले ही पास चला गया, अभी जो मैं बोला वो फ्यूचर में खत्म, वो चीज है ही नहीं है। वी आर जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट कि हमारे मतलब आंखों से देख रहे हैं कि ये दुनिया चल रही है, बट वी रियली डोंट नो। इवन मोर देन दैट वी ऑल हर्ड अबाउट द बिग बैंग थ्योरी। आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने बिग बैंग थ्योरी के बारे में सुना होगा। व्हाई वी आर हियर? सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ क्वांटम कंप्यूटर यू कैन सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ बिग बैंग थ्योरी आल्सो, राइट? एंड नाउडेज जस्ट थिंक अबाउट द आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। Anybody have a mobile phone here? Anyone? Airtel user. I'll just tell you one trick. I'll just show you something. Airtel user, please. Just give me your phone. Always remember, don't give your phone to anyone. Let's see. Airtel only, right? Face. Okay. Any other Airtel user, please tell me your number. It's okay, it's okay. It's fine. Always remember one thing, don't give your mobile phones to anyone. I mean, damn sure, like, don't give anyone. Okay, fine. Airtel one, right? Sorry? Anyone, Airtel user, please tell me your number. Any other user? 937 66
48
48
479
47. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Stun. Anybody please call ma'am. Ma'am को call कीजिए please. हाँ, उनको बोलो. किसी को भी आप कॉल करो. उनको ही कॉल करो ना. Let's see. इनको कॉल करो ना.
इनको कॉल करना है, आपका नंबर क्या है? हाँ, आप अपने आप को कॉल करो।
What I'm telling you, just check now. कॉल किसका आया? किसको कॉल किया था आपने?
मैम को
नहीं, मैडम ने
प्रतीक
आपका प्रतीक आया है। हाँ,
किसको कॉल किया था आपने मैम? अपने आप को किया था? You got the call? Understand my point?
हाँ, प्रतीक चौहान નું નામ बताओ તમારા।
क्या हुआ?
फॉरवर्ड
This is only the call thing. What about your OTPs then? जितने भी लोग आप यहाँ पे प्ले स्टोर पे फोन पे क्या यूज करते हो? जीपे एंड एवरीथिंग। ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, डोंट गिव मोबाइल फोन्स टू हमेशा किसी को कभी नहीं देना है मोबाइल फोन। एंड इंडिया इज द ओनली प्लेस जहाँ पे अटैक करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है, लोग अपने ऊपर ही अटैक कर लेते हैं। I hope you all understood. How many of you use the smart bed here? Anyone? Smart bed कितने लोग यूज करते हैं? Smart bed और smart mattress. This one I'm just showing you all here now. Smart mattress. Smart bed. Simple term. Okay, this one. How many of you use the smart bed here? Smart mattress? Anyone? कोई यूज करता है? चलो, AI का craze. Nowadays we all are using AI, and this is a product. Nowadays engineer busy with such kind of stuff. So this is like smart mattress made in Spain. There are a lot of sensors inside the smart mattress, and then they will have an app. I repeat once again, smart mattress made in Spain. There are a lot of sensors inside the smart mattress. Then they will have an app. Means if you are outside your understood? If you are outside your home and check it out. And if your bed is used in suspicious way, the hailing app will warn you if your bed is used or not. Like what the hell is that? So the speedometer is there, intensity is there, you can check the pressure points there. Means right now your privacy is also connected to the internet. And recently, Gemini trends. How many of you use the Gemini here? Abhi trend chalu hua tha na, please give the photos in the aesthetic sarees. That's right. And they're just giving the photos, right? वो तो just आपको photos दे रहे हैं, ठीक है? हम लोगों को क्या है कि how many of you use the google.com here? Stop using it. How many of you use the antiviruses? Anyone? Okay, fine. Stop using it. And how many of you use the internet? Stop using it. I mean, we can't survive without the internet, right? We can't survive without the electricity. I mean, every single society, they are reliant on the internet, they are reliant on the electricity, right? अब Gemini की बात करते हैं. Gemini में लोगों को लगा कि मैं मस्त photos create होते हैं, right? Therefore, they are creating the extraordinary photos, right? Just think about your videos then. Just think about your, just like a prompt, na? ये कोई अलग दुनिया नहीं चल रही है. They are just using the models, and based on your models, they are just creating the stuff for you. And nowadays we do have a technology called as deepfake. And with the help of deepfake technology, you can create a bunch of fake images, bunch of fake voices, and people are used to pull up the romance scam and the business scams and whatever scams you have. And I don't know when, but during our lifetime, you'll be sitting down your home, you're watching Netflix or whatever equivalent it is to watch a movie. Before you start to watch a movie, you have different options there. You can select the Salman Khan as a main lead, you can select the Lady Gaga as a female lead, you can select yourself. Why not you? And the future Netflix render it for you and you can watch a movie. And this will happen because of the technology, because of the artificial intelligence. How many of you use the iPhone here? Okay, fine. So basically in your iPhone you have a 3 nanometer chips. In your iPhone you have a 3 nanometer chip. So what is the length of 3 nanometer? It's very tiny particles, right? If you want to build a 100, our your length is like 100 nanometer. If you want to build a 3 nanometer, which is the hardest thing to do in the world. But there is a company in Taiwan, they can build they can build the 50,000 chips per second. They can build the 50,000 chips per second, which is the hardest thing to do in the world. इतना छोटा chip तैयार करना, it is not a simple thing, which is the hardest thing to do in the world. So ये सारी चीजें हो रही हैं, ये सारी चीजें because of the computing power, because of the technology, because internet changed everything. Technology changed everything. So always think about it. Nowadays people are using the matrimonial websites and the Jeevansati and Shadi.com, right? कोई है क्या यहाँ पे? नहीं है. Anyway, fine. So nowadays people are using the social media platforms, right? People are using the social media platforms like multiple things. Dating platforms they are using. I'll just tell you why no need to use the social media platforms, no need to use the matrimonial websites. In 2018, the Canada government created a website called as No Need to Visit. This is only for the educational stuff. Okay. So this is like Ashley Madison. Okay. This is a this is a dating platform. So if you're a politician, if you're an actor, actress, and if you want, you can join. If you want infidelity, you can join the Ashley Madison. This is only for the educational. No need to join, no need to do anything. And the slogan of the Ashley Madison is very clear. What is the slogan? Slogan of the Ashley Madison is very clear. Life is short. Have an affair. So if you're a politician, if you're an actor, actress, and if you want infidelity, you can join the. And इनका जो founder था उसने बताया था कि कोई भी इस account मतलब कोई भी इस website को कोई भी hack नहीं कर सकता. In fact, you intercept everything and post it on the social media platform, including your photos, including your videos and everything. So always remember one thing. You can post anything on the internet very easily, but if you have to remove anything from the internet ना, बहुत ही difficult task होता है. आजकल इंटरनेट पे कुछ भी पोस्ट करना it's simple, but if you want to remove anything from the internet, it's very tedious task. I mean, what the 16 and 17-year people will do, they are using some sort of application, they just mop your images and just post it on the social media platform. मतलब जितना हमें AI का क्रेज आ रहा है, AI ये करेगा वो करेगा, at the same time बहुत सारी चीजें हो भी सकती है because with the help of artificial intelligence, they are just giving the 100% posture. I mean, वो पूरा का पूरा आप you can't find out the real one and the fake ones in the AI. It's very difficult to understand, right? It's very difficult to understand. So always remember one thing: don't share your things on the social media platforms, Instagram and other stuff. Otherwise, पहले क्या होता था कि people are using the Facebook. अगर कोई लड़की Facebook पे post करती है तो वहाँ पे लड़का जाके क्या post करेगा? You're so cute. वही होता है ना? Basically, normal thing. The human trend syndrome. They are following, right? So वहाँ पे वही लड़की क्या post करेगी? Thank you so much. and homo emojis. Understand now what I'm saying? You're so cute. उस पे ही वो लड़की रिप्लाई देगी कि भाई थैंक यू सो मच homo emojis. यही अगर आप रियल लाइफ में जाके बोलो. So this is the difference between real life and the virtual world. This is the difference between real life and the virtual world. So you need to try to check it out this one. That is Ashka Medicine. No need to join. Just try to check. Okay. Now the next one. You all are using the mobile phones, right? आप लोग सब हर जगह पे जाके accounts create कर देते हो. Everywhere. I'll just tell you one platform. Please try to go here. If you check your account has been compromised in some database or in some data breaches, you need to visit here. You need to just type your email address or the contact number. अगर आपका अकाउंट कहीं पे compromise हुआ है, कहीं पे hack हुआ है, तो यहाँ पे आपको आ जाएगा कि your account compromised or not. So if you want to check your account has been compromised or not, please try to visit here and just try to check it out. अगर आपका already account compromised हुआ है तो just think about it. आपकी सारी चीजें already जा चुकी है. So you need to change your email address. You need to change your password. Right? आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने डार्कनेट के बारे में सुना होगा. How many of you know about the darknet? Most of the people know, right? Have you ever accessed the darknet?
No.
No? Okay. Today I'll just show you something. मतलब करना नहीं है. I'm just telling you. Okay? अच्छे आदमी मतलब. What I'm telling you, this is a platform called as the Hidden Wiki. You need to visit here, the Hidden Wiki. This platform. Up now, what is the darknet and what is the Google Chrome browser? So basically, in the Google Chrome browser, you can access only the 0.5% internet. In the Google Chrome browser, you can access only the 0.5% internet. But if you can access the 99.9% illegal kind of activities, you can access to Tor browser, or you can say the darknet. So what we can do in the darknet? So basically, darknet पे क्या चलता है ना? You can hire the hacker only for 500 or 600 rupees. Number 2, you can buy drugs. Number 3, you can hire a shooter. Number 4, assassination killers are there. Number 5, I'll just bring anyone here. I'll just cut into the pieces. I'll just boil it and just give to the other person to eat. You heard about the Red Room and the Mariana Bay? No? So internet पे कुछ ऐसी चीजें चलती है कि most of the people they really don't know, and they are just enjoying it. वहाँ पे जितने भी लोग हैं उनको मजा आता है because they are just doing the Bitcoin stuff. वहाँ पे Bitcoins में bidding की जाती है. एक बंदे को लाया जाता है, एक बच्चे को लाया जाता है. They are just doing the pieces. Just boil it and give it to the other person. Black magic. If you want to make someone psycho, and they are having a marketplaces there. And हर एक गवर्नमेंट का आपको सीक्रेट यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. Okay, so you can access the dark. It's illegal. I mean, it's legal. You can surf it, but you can't explore it. वहाँ पे जाके कुछ करना नहीं है. So for that, and how many of you use the Google.com here? Google is spying on you, whether you like it or not. Whether you like it or not, each and every single device is spying on you. And we people carry those smartphones. Nowadays we do have supercomputer in our pocket, right? And we people carry those smartphones everywhere. Everywhere means everywhere. So just think about it. Each and every single device is spying on you. I mean, your Google knows you more than your parents, right? You can't lie to your search engine. जितना आपके parents आपको जानते नहीं होंगे, उतना आपको Google जानता होगा. So Google can't do anything. I mean, they are spying on you very easily. And we all are using the 86 plus mobile application. Google के इतने applications हम लोग use कर रहे हैं. मतलब हमारा brain ही हमको बोलता है कि भाई Google use कर ले. And we all know कि भाई हमारा privacy का पूरा खत्म हो चुका है. लेकिन still, at the end of the day, people are talking about how to secure myself. Please tell me about the privacy tips and all. Man, you already hacked. आपकी सारी चीजें तो जा चुकी हैं. You already hacked ना. सारी चीजें तो जा चुकी हैं. बाद में बोलेंगे please how to secure myself and all. It's not at all possible. Okay, how many of you use the LinkedIn here? मैं जल्दी बोल देता हूँ सारी चीजें. हाँ. You all are getting bored or what? Bored नहीं हो रहा है ना? बता देना. हाँ. How many of you use the LinkedIn here? Everyone? हाँ. Good. So all of you know this guy? Just a minute. हाँ कुछ नहीं और नहीं बस normal. Okay. Okay, this guy, right? So Mark Zuckerberg had an account on LinkedIn in 2012. इस बंदे का 2012 में एक account था LinkedIn का, and LinkedIn was hacked in 2012. LinkedIn हैक हुआ था 2012 में. I think most of the people they are having the accounts on LinkedIn in 2012. I don't know. So recently I go through and check the Mark Zuckerberg LinkedIn password, and by the way, Mark Zuckerberg LinkedIn password was Mark Zuckerberg LinkedIn password was da da da, and he wasn't using da 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 as password on Facebook. I'm guessing he was using da 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 and his password on Facebook. And to make worse, Mark using the same password almost everywhere. And this is really stupid idea. I mean, 80 to 90% people are here. Sorry to say, but you all are using the 80 to 90% people are here. They are using the same password everywhere. Yes or no?
Yes.
आप लोग एक ही पासवर्ड हर जगह पे डाल देते हो. ये ले लो, सब ले लो. Right? And what the hackers will do once they compromise your account, they are using the same credentials to each and every single platform. So always remember one thing: don't use the same password everywhere. Always make the unique email address. Always make the unique password. That's the only solutions we have. That's the only solution we have. Right? आप में से कितने लोग ransomware के बारे में जानते हो? How many of you know about the ransomware? वो वाला virtual kidnapping वाला, ransomware viruses and the stuff. Right? Okay, I'll just tell you one example here. And what the big companies or what the big countries they'll do. So this is like popcorn ransomware. इसका नाम क्या है? Popcorn ransomware. This one. इसका story मैं बता रहा हूँ just normal, and then we can shift it to the agentic one. Okay, this is like ransomware. अब ransomware क्या करता है? What the ransomware will do? Ransomware infect your system, encrypt your file, and ask you to pay 1,000 euros. अगर आपको आपकी फाइल्स वापस चाहिए तो आपको कितने पैसे देने पड़ेंगे? 1,000 euros. And if you don't have a paisa, sorry, what I'm saying, if you don't have a money, if you don't have a euro, they will give some sort of URL. तो ये बंदे आपको क्या करेंगे? एक URL भेजेंगे. तो आपको क्या करना है कि आपके पास पैसा नहीं है, तो आपको आपके दो दोस्त को मतलब उनको इन्फेक्ट करना है. So the first victim, just imagine the victim is a home user who doesn't have 1,000 euros. So first victim doesn't have 1,000 euros, infect two more victims. Two more victims doesn't have 1,000 euros, infect two more victims. Like goddamn dinosaur. And it's very hard to handle these kind of people. And they are honest cyber criminal gangs. What? They are honest. Why they are honest? Because once you have been paid the ransom amount, एक बार आपने पैसा दे दिया, they recommend you for the 5-star rating. एक बार आपने पैसा दे दिया, वो क्या करेंगे? They recommend you for the
5-star.
It's like Swiggy and Zomato for them. I mean, if you are satisfied with their services, you can give them a 5-star, and if you are not satisfied with their services, you can give them a abuse. And they are honest cyber criminal gangs. So always remember one thing: आपकी कोई भी चीज इंटरनेट पे सिक्योर ही नहीं है. Whether you are using AI kind of stuff, whether you are using IoT. What is IoT from your perspective? IoT क्या होता है? Internet of from your perspective. But from my perspective, it's just like internet of insecure thing. What? Internet of insecure thing. Why internet of insecure thing? Because right now your stupid devices is also connected to the internet. Like your washing machine, your kitchen scale, kitchen mixer. Why your washing machine gets an internet connection? Because every single manufacturer, every single designer create the cheaper and cheaper products because they only want your data, because data is the new oil, data is the new uranium, and data is very valuable. So you need to think about it whenever you are using the IoT. Means if it's smart, it's vulnerable. Keep it simple. If it's smart, it's vulnerable. Your smart television, vulnerable television. Smart watch, vulnerable watch. Everything smart, everything vulnerable. And if you can't protect your data, don't collect it. If you can't protect your data, don't collect it. नहीं तो हम लोगों को आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड हर जगह देने की आदत हो चुकी है आजकल. Our identity ना आधार कार्ड एंड पैन कार्ड वो पब्लिकली अवेलेबल है. कोई भी जाके UIDAI के वेबसाइट पे चेक कर सकता है. इंडेक्स वही डालना है, इंडेक्स ऑफ समथिंग. If you want to find out the date of birth certificate also, you can easily find it out. So you need to think about it whenever posting anything on the internet. कुछ भी हो फिर. Okay, now the next one. Let's get back to this one. I'll suggest you 3 textbooks for your learning purpose. If you want, you just try to check it out. एक बार घर पे जाके आप इन टेक्स्ट बुक को लर्न कर लेना. एक बार अगर आप पढ़ने बैठोगे तो उसको खत्म कर दोगे रात में. One of the finest textbook. First one. Click here to kill everybody by Bruce Sisley. Click here to kill everybody. Click here to kill everybody by Bruce Sisley. One of the finest cryptographer. You need to check out the first textbook called as Click Here to Kill Everybody by Bruce Sisley. One of the finest textbook, you need to check it out here. Next one, the next textbook, just try to check it out, Data and Goliath. The next textbook, you need to check it out, Data and Goliath. Data and Goliath. This one, Data and Goliath. This is another textbook. First one, Click Here to Kill Everybody by Bruce Isner. Second one, you can go for the Data and Goliath. And third one, last but not the least, please try to check the Quantum Supremacy. Quantum Supremacy. Because the future is all about the quantum computer. Our motherland is not depends on zeros and ones. So just try to learn the third one, that is Quantum Supremacy. The third textbook, Quantum Supremacy. And इसके बाद आपको एक सीरीज भी देखना है अगर आपके पास टाइम जब भी टाइम मिले. You need to try to check it out the Michio Kaku. इनके talks एक बार you just try to check it out. Michio Kaku. Like you know, is it the can we live forever? Reverse aging is possible or not? You know, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. You need to try to check how to make the drugs. तो ये सारी चीजें you can explore it with the help of Quantum Supremacy. So just go and try to check it out the channel called as Michio Kaku. One of the finest platforms, because our motherland is not depends on the zeros and ones. So I suggest you please try to explore these platforms. Okay. Now get back to the agentic AI and the generative AI. So what is the generative AI? Anybody please tell me what is generative AI? So basically generative AI is made by two different things. Number one, that is generative, and number two, that is artificial intelligence. So what is the AI? AI is just a fancy term, like instead of the humans, computers they can do the work. Right? And generative AI is basically based on two or three different things. Number one, that is language modeling. अब language modeling क्या होता है? मैं आपको तीन concept एक बार बता देता हूँ. Then I'll show you some example. So first one, generative AI is based on the language modeling. अब language modeling क्या होता है? You just go here, language modeling. Just a minute, my bad. So just go here, just type a website, like you know, just type a query, language modeling, this one, and you just try to explore the H2O documentation here, the language modeling. Now what is the language modeling? For example, I have a Google Chrome browser, right? And जब भी मैं अपना Google Chrome browser open करूँगा, I'll just type a query, I want to play cricket, and I'll get the multiple suggestion there. What suggestion? I want to play video, I want to play tennis, something like that. So I have a context, I have a phrase, and I need to find out what comes next. I have a context, I have a phrase, and I need to find out what comes next. So the whole continuation process, मतलब जो भी आपका अगला word आएगा, the whole continuation process is called as a language modeling. So you just try to explore this article. Then the second thing, the generative AI is based on the RLHF. अब RLHF क्या होता है? That is reinforcement learning, human feedback. मतलब we'll get the responses related to the human mind. Okay, he'll get the responses related to the human mind. So just try to explore the things about the RLHF. First one, that is language modeling. Second one, just try to explore the RLHF. And one more thing, please try to learn the things about the fine tuning and the reverse fine tuning. What is fine tuning and what is reverse fine tuning? Just try to explore the biography or the documentary about the Lady Lovelace, then the Charles Babbage, or just try to explore about the Alan Turing. Who is Alan Turing and the stuff. So just try to learn the things about the fine tuning and the reverse fine tuning. And if you want to build text to text, text to speech, or text to video application, if you want to build text to text, text to speech, or text to video application, then please try to visit the platform called as Hugging Face. Hugging Face, this one. I don't have a time, so that's what I'm just telling you the platform names here. Hugging Face. Okay, so what is the Hugging Face? Hugging Face is just a community. Hugging Face एक community है, एक company है. There you can integrate your LLM models. The most of the AI developers they just integrate the LLM models here. तो अगर आपको text to text, text to speech और text to video application create करना है तो आपको यहाँ पे आसानी से कोड मिल जाएंगे. So you can go for the spaces section here. Model, dataset, spaces, collections. You'll get it here, and you can easily build your applications with the help of the Hugging Face. Okay. And whenever you're building the application, अगर आपको कोई भी application create करना है, it's very simple. You can directly code from the ChatGPT or the Gemini, and at the same time you need to take some keys. The API keys from the Cohere and the OpenAI. Cohere और OpenAI से आपको API की लेना है, वो कोड में डालना है और आपको कोड रन करना है. So I must suggest you, आप इसको explore कर लेना Hugging Face को, एंड वन मोर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, एक वाइट आर्टिकल मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूंगा. प्लीज ट्राई टू अटेंड द वन आर्टिकल. प्लीज आपको ये वाइट आर्टिकल चेक करना है जिसका नाम है अटेंशन इज ऑल यू नीड. प्लीज ट्राई टू चेक द आर्टिकल. अगर आपको जनरेटिव एआई या फिर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का पूरा प्रॉपर चीजें चाहिए, यू नीड टू चेक दिस वाइट आर्टिकल. अटेंशन इज ऑल यू नीड. अटेंशन, ये वाला अटेंशन इज ऑल यू नीड व्हिच एंडेड टू द जनरेटिव एआई. तो यहाँ पे एक आर्टिकल मिल जाएगा आपको प्रॉपर. यू जस्ट ट्राई टू एक्सप्लोर दिस वाइट आर्टिकल on the white paper. Attention is all you need. So recently the 5 developer from the Google, they released one research article. ये वाला. This article is bit difficult to understand. तो आप इसको copy and paste करके you can go, you will get the summary there. आपको यहाँ पे summary मिल जाएगा. तो I must suggest you जितने भी platforms में बता रहा you just try to explore it one by one. That is Hugging Face is there. You can go for the attention is all you need. This article you can try to explore. Also try to explore the things about the coherent. This one. ये जो बता रहा है कोहेरेंट. सो बेसिकली व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग द कोहेरेंट. अगर आपको कोई भी एपीआई चाहिए, इफ यू वांट टू ग्रैब द इंफॉर्मेशन, यू कैन यूज द कोहेरेंट और द ओपन एआई. सो एवरी टाइम व्हेनेवर यू क्रिएटिंग द टेक्स्ट टू टेक्स्ट टू स्पीच एप्लीकेशंस, यू नीड टू क्रिएट द थिंग्स हियर. दिस इज अ कोहेरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म. ओके. और रिसेंटली आप लोगों ने एजेंटिक एआई के बारे में सुना होगा, राइट? एजेंटिक एआई. सो व्हाट इज एजेंटिक एआई? इट्स अ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द चैटबॉट. सो दे आर जस्ट थिंकिंग लाइक योर ह्यूमन ब्रेन. और बेस्ड ऑन द ह्यूमन ब्रेन दे आर जस्ट गिविंग द आउटपुट, राइट? तो अगर आपको खुद के एजेंट्स बनाने हैं, लाइक व्हाट्सएप एजेंट, लिंक्डइन कंटेंट क्रिएशन, खुद को कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. मोस्ट ऑफ द आईटी कंपनीज अभी ऑटोमेशन पे चल रही है और आने वाले समय में ऑटोमेशन बहुत अलग लेवल पे चलेगा. ऑटोमेशन बहुत ही अलग लेवल पे चलने वाला है. सो हाउ टू बिल्ड द एजेंट्स, हाउ टू बिल्ड द एआई एजेंट्स. सो वी हैव अ प्लेटफॉर्म कॉल्ड एज N8N. देयर इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म कॉल्ड एज N8N. नो दिस वन. तो यहाँ पे नो कोडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाएगा आपको. आपको कोड करने की जरूरत नहीं. दिस इज नो कोडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म. यू नीड टू जस्ट ट्राई टू विजिट हियर. अगर आपको बहुत सारे एजेंट्स बनाने हैं आपके बिजनेस के लिए, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू वांट टू बिल्ड योर फॉर योर कॉलेज आल्सो, फॉर योर एम्प्लॉयज आल्सो, यू कैन बिल्ड द एजेंट्स. तो उसके लिए ये प्लेटफॉर्म यूज किया जाता है जिसका नाम है N8N. ओके. आई विल जस्ट गिव यू वन एग्जांपल हियर. इफ यू वांट टू बिल्ड द RAG एप्लीकेशन. अब RAG क्या होता है? Retrieval augmented generation. Retrieval augmented generation. मतलब जो भी आप PDF डालोगे उसका आपको whenever you type something you'll get the summary. तो वही एप्लीकेशन आपको यहाँ पे क्रिएट करना है. So what I'll do, I'll just give you one example how to create the basic workflow. If you want, you can explore it then. Fine. Then we can close it. चलेगा ना? Last one. I know you all are getting like sleeping mode because of it. Understand. So last one, I'll just create the last workflow and you can create them. And I'll suggest you some resources also for your learning purpose, for the research and development. Most of the people, they are doing the research, right? Research scholars are there, I think. So IEEE, you need to publish some research article, you need to attend some international conferences. I'll suggest you some international conferences also where you need to go and just try to attend it. Okay. So first one, just go for this platform, N8N, go for the signing section. Go for the signing section. And just go for the start here. Start free trial. आपको यहाँ पे करना है start a free trial. कोई आ सकता है क्या यहाँ पे अकाउंट क्रिएट करने के लिए? Just 2 मिनट का काम है, 2 मिनट. Please anyone? Please.